Perl, a dynamic interpreted scripting language famous for its powerful text processing abilities. It was developed in 1987 by Larry Wall, a linguist who designed it to feel more like a human language than a computer language. When someone says Perl, they're usually talking about version 5. There was a version 6 under development, but it evolved into another language called Raku. Perl is often referred to as a glue language and has been dubbed the Swiss Army chainsaw of the internet. It's most commonly used to write CGI scripts that allow web servers to communicate with external programs. Its powerful string parsing abilities has made it the language of choice on high-traffic sites like DuckDuckGo, Booking.com, and Craigslist. Syntactically, it resembles C, but is far more compressed, allowing developers to write very terse code, like one-liners that hack together a solution much quicker than other scripting languages like Python. It contains a large collection of language primitives and a ton of shortcuts for getting things done quickly. You may find it ugly and awkward, but system administrators love it because it gets the job done. To get started, install the Perl interpreter, then create a file ending in .pl. It's a scripting language, so we start with a shebang and point it to the interpreter's binary. Declare a variable with a $, then print it to the standard output, and the variable can be easily interpolated into another string. Variables can be scoped locally with the my keyword, or globally to an entire package with the our keyword. The $creates a scalar variable, which is a single value like a string or number. If we change the $sign to the @ symbol, this variable becomes an array. The index of any item in the array can be accessed with brackets. Now name the variable with a % to get a hash or key value pair. To access one of its keys, use braces. One of the design principles of Perl is things that are different should look different. Handle conditional logic using if or unless, then make it more concise by refactoring it to one line, then make it even more concise using the ternary operator. One of the most unusual things about Perl is that your functions are defined as subroutines. Instead of defining parameters within parentheses like most other languages, any arguments passed to the function can be accessed with the @_array. When it comes to parsing text, regex is built in, and the binding operator can easily match a string to a regular expression. Perl also has a lot of magic features, like auto-vivification, where if we try to increment a value in an array that doesn't exist, it will automatically bring to life all the elements in between. Now to run your code, open the terminal and run the interpreter. This has been Perl in 100 seconds. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.